What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So today the worst possible thing could possibly happen. I forgot my Joby Gorillapod 5K kit in the freaking middle of nowhere. I literally forgot. I was out taking photos earlier and I was gonna get this low angle shot. So I had to take the Joby Gorillapod off so I could actually get totally close to the ground. So right now I'm heading out where I was like 2 hours ago to go see if it's still there. And as you can see right now, I'm just using my hand to hold the camera, which is not a good idea. And the camera is like way too close to my face, which is why the Joby Gorillapod is so awesome, because it's so versatile. Oh my god, just look at that thing. The sun is about to set and I need to go all the way out there. And my back is hurting, it's killing me. I literally feel like an old man, no kidding. Oh my god, I think I see it. I think I see it. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's there. Oh my god. I was so afraid. No freaking way. Oh my god. It's right there. Oh, Jesus. And it's still here. Oh my freaking god, and the sun is setting. So I was actually taking a photo of this chair, which just randomly happens to be here. And then I wanted to get this low angle shot. And of course you can't do that with the tripod on. So I had to take it off and like leave it here. And then I just forgot it, and oh my god, I am so relieved right now. Holy shit. You wouldn't believe how relieved I am right now. It's absolutely insane, and it's just a beautiful sunset. So I guess something good came out of this experience, traumatic experience. I know it's super windy, but I mean, I just need to take some photos of this beautiful sunset right now, or like a time lapse, because it's freaking beautiful. I mean, freaking look at it. It's beautiful. So goddamn beautiful. I got it, I freaking got it. Yes! Oh god, the beautiful sunset. It's absolutely incredible. I mean, I don't know what I got out of it other than seeing this beautiful sunset, but I'm happy I got it back. So thank you guys so much for watching this very spontaneous video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and hopefully it was somewhat entertaining. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll just see you guys in the next video. Bang!